Build your own chamber of chills, piece by pulsating piece. Dracula. Thirsty for a kit you can really sink your teeth into? Stake $1 on the Prince of the Fang Gang. Frankenstein, Mr. Monster himself, star of stage, scream, TV and graveyards. Mr. Hyde. Dr. Jekyll as Mr. Hyde. He can't seem to make up his mind. The kit shows him changing for dinner. King Kong. Here's one that'll grab you. King Kong and victim doing the monkey. Phantom of the Opera. His haunting rendition of Strangers in the Night just made the top 40. Fear not. Putting together these legendary movie monsters will be the chill of a lifetime. Here in all their gory glory are Aurora hobby kits of Frankenstein, the granddaddy of them all, the Creature, a surfing safari's best fiend, the Mummy, every kid needs a mummy, plus all the unruly ghoulies decorating this page and more. Get them before they get you. $1 to $1.49 each. Colour them monster-rific with the Aurora paints. Bloody reds, gruesome greys, ghoulish greens. Copyright 1967 Aurora Plastics Corp. West Hempstead, New York. The world's largest manufacturer of hobby products. Aurora products are manufactured entirely in the US for distribution in America, in Canada for Commonwealth nations, and in Holland for Europe and Africa. Copyright 1967 Universal Pictures Co. Inc. Copyright 1967 Western Merchandising Corp.